Now today we have start chapter 2 polynomial. We know that in previous classes polynomial is an algebraic expressions in variable x, and its general form is f(x) is equal to a n x raised to the power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x raised to the power n minus 2 dash 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 plus a0 x0, where a1 comma a2 comma a3 dash 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 an minus 1 comma an is real number and coefficient of the terms. Now example, x square minus 3x plus 2 comma 3x minus 2. Conditions of polynomial, which are polynomial, which are not polynomial. We can say condition number first, if exponent and power of variable x is in the fraction, then it is not a polynomial. Example, x square minus 3 root x plus 2 is not a polynomial because here exponent of x is 1 by 2. Now condition number second, if exponent and power of variable x is negative, then it is also not a polynomial. Example, 3x square minus 1 upon x plus 2. Here 1 upon x means x raised to power minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. Now condition second, we have I am again explain, if exponent and power of variables is x is negative, then it is not also not a polynomial. Example, 3x square minus 1 upon x plus 2. Here 1 upon x means x raised to the power minus 1, so it is not a polynomial. Now we have already read in class 8th and 9th also types of polynomial. Types of polynomial, here two types. Type 1, according to their term. According to their terms, we have already read in class 8th and 9th. According to terms, there is a four types. First type is monomial. A polynomial having one term are called monomial. Here its example is 2x, 7, 5x square, etc. Now, second is the binomial. Binomial according to its name, binomial means bio means two. A polynomial having two terms are called binomial. Example here, 7x square plus 2x, 5x plus 2, etc. Number 3, trinomial. Name of this shows trinomial. Trinomial, a polynomial having three terms. A polynomial having three terms are called trinomial. Here example, 3x square plus 7x minus 2. It is an example of trinomial. If we take example 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2x minus x square, it is not a polynomial, means it is not an example of trinomial. We can say having only three terms. Quadrinomial. A polynomial having four terms are called quadrinomial. These are the types of the polynomial according to their terms. We know that second type according to their degree. Have you explained? Have you understand? According to their degree. Type second according to their degree. First, linear polynomial polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Example 3x plus 2. Here degree of polynomial is 1. Second, quadratic. Quadratic polynomial, a polynomial having degree 2 is called quadrinomial, quadratic polynomial. Now example 3x square plus x plus 2 only 7x square, it is also a quadratic polynomial because both are quadratic polynomial. Having degree 2. Now third number is cubic. Its name is shows cubic means having degree 3. A polynomial having degree is 3 are called cubic polynomial. Example 3x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 2 only 4x raised to power 3, 4x cube minus 3x etc. All examples having degree 3. Now these are the types of polynomial according to their terms or according to their degree. Now fourth, we have also take fourth. By quadratic. A polynomial having degree 4 are called by quadratic polynomial. Here example 4x raised to power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2 comma 7x raised to power 4 comma 7x 4x square minus x plus 2 etc. Here degree of the polynomial is 4. Here degree of polynomial is 4. These are the types of the polynomial according to their degree and according to their terms. Now we have take 0 of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial k is a real number in the polynomial fx if fk is equals to 0, then we can say k is the 0 of the polynomial. Here we can say if value of k putting in the polynomial fx and it's become a 0, then we can say k is the 0 of the polynomial. For example 3x minus 2, x is equals to 0, then 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 upon 3. We can say 2 upon 3 is the 0 of polynomial x fx. Now we have take geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. Geometrical meaning mean geometrical or graphical representation both are same, and geometrical meaning we can say in a polynomial having 0 is 1. Geometrical meaning of zero of the polynomial of the linear polynomial. Example 2x minus 1 is the example of linear polynomial If value of x is converted into 0 polynomial fx, then 2x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 2. Here x is equals to 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Here x is equals to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Graphical representation of linear polynomial. In the graphical representation of linear polynomial, represent the straight line and intersect the x-axis at one point. So its 0 become 1, having only 0, 1. Second, we have take geometry meaning of quadratic polynomial. Geometric meaning of quadratic polynomial having two zeros because degree of quadratic is 2. Now example, three x square minus 4x plus 1. Graphical representation of fx is equals to 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now we have taken here LCM means middle term splitting, 3x square minus 3x minus x plus 1. Now 3x minus 1 minus 1 x minus 1 x minus 1 separate. Now 3x minus 1 show two zeros are x is equals to 1 and another 1 upon 3. Now to 3fx 3x square minus 4x, here having two zeros 1 comma 3, graphical representation may be all quadratic polynomial having all quadratic polynomial having parabola shows the parabola means we can say graph of the quadratic polynomial intersect x-axis at two places.